What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. And as you can see, market's not doing too well today. Unfortunately, yesterday evening or around kind of the evening, crypto just took an absolute nosedive. And there's a variety of things for why this is happening. Again, a lot of this has to do with the federal government kind of doing a few talking points basically about, tightening up financial securities and different things in the stock market. And of course, we know that the stock market does tend to affect the crypto markets when it dips. When it does really well, we see similar type of movement in both of those markets. So unfortunately right now, the overall crypto market has sold off heavily, and I would not be surprised, guys, if we see a little bit more downside, especially on Shiba Inu. And yeah, I know you guys probably don't want to hear that. You probably don't want to hear that Shiba Inu is going to have more downside, but I wouldn't be surprised, okay, at this rate, because at this point, guys, we are in a little bit of a downtrend. We're in a little bit of a it's a rocky place to be. I won't lie, right? I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys rainbows and sunshine. The overall cryptocurrency markets, I think we're looking at least a 5 to 6% dip, a little bit more. Personal take, okay? You guys might disagree with me. Let me know in the comments below if you do. But I would not be surprised if the overall cryptocurrency markets, I'm talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then thus every other coin would likely follow in its track. I'm expecting a 4 to 5 to maybe even 6% at the most dip. But I think by then we should hopefully flatten off, start to consolidate, and hopefully start pushing back up towards those higher price targets. Now, again, this is why, guys, this is why I'm a long-term investor. And even though I sound a little bit more somber today, even though I sound a little bit more upset, what you guys have to understand is that these types of plays, every play that I make in the cryptocurrency market, except for a select few, are long-term plays. These are plays that I am buying and holding. I'm not planning on selling them anytime soon. I'm not planning on trading them. I'm not planning on taking profits until they've reached like massive price targets. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. And again, the patience is what pays at the end of the day in the crypto markets and in the stock market too, if you're making some more long-term high conviction plays. But overall, guys, cryptocurrency market's down. Okay, this isn't a Shiba Inu problem. This isn't any issue with fundamental stuff. If anything, there is some issues, I think, with the Fed regulating crypto that we might be seeing. But again, it's still rumor, it's speculation, the whole 9 yards. And until we see a official statement from them, it's not something that I'm worried about. We're down just about 11% on the day on Shiba Inu. Not the worst day we've ever had in Shiba Inu. I'm going to be honest. We've been down like 14% before as far as the overall price goes. We have unfortunately gone significantly below those previous lows that we saw there. And unfortunately, guys, it's just kind of the level that we're at. Now, you're probably thinking, all right, well, time to sell my Shiba Inu. Like, game's over. Time to go home. Not quite yet. I mean, it's up to you if you want to do that, right? That's your choice, but I'm not doing that. And here's why. Again, there's still plenty of news coming out this year. There's still plenty of opportunity for the crypto markets to recover. And I still think that we are going to see a lot of upside in 2022. This is unfortunately a side effect of crypto, guys. It's a volatile, very emotional market that moves very quickly, very fast, and you can either make a lot of money in this market or potentially lose a lot of money if you're selling when these sell-offs occur. And again, it's all about mindset. And guys, you know what? If you want to not only get started in crypto, but start becoming a better crypto investor, I really, really want to recommend you guys join our private Discord, okay? It's currently 50% off. We're running a 50% off sale at the $10 a month tier. When you guys get in at that tier at 50% off, you guys get to keep that level of paying every single month. We're honoring that. We're not going to increase your pay if you guys get in while the sale is going, but you have to take advantage of it now. There's only a few more days till this guy is over, guys. We're ending it at the end of the week, so make sure you guys take advantage of it while you can. But guys, again, we're buying the dips. I want to mention that too. So if you guys want to figure out exactly what we're buying on the dips, definitely join the Discord. But let's talk some news, guys. We do have some news that I want to discuss today. Just because the overall market is down doesn't mean that there's not still things to talk about and discuss. Because of course, like I said, there's tons of new stuff coming with Shiba Inu every single day, and of course, this year alone. and I think it's important to talk about it and of course get that out. So what is Shiba Inu Shibarium? This is explained in simple terms. I think this is exciting. Shibarium is a big catalyst that we're all waiting on and something that I think most people can be very excited about. So let's read a little bit more. We know you've heard the word Shibarium multiple times at all Shiba Inu channels. The Shib team is expected to release the much awaited development sometime early this year. However, the exact release date of the project is not revealed yet. If you're wondering what exactly is Shibarium, we got you covered. So what is Shibarium? To begin, Shibarium or Shiba Inu is built on the Ethereum platform and is solely an ERC20 token. Ethereum allows other tokens to run and operate on their platforms and charge gas fees for transactions. The transactions include when you buy or sell a particular token of your choice on the ETH network, and the gas fees charged by ETH are high and investors are not happy about it. If you're on Twitter, you can search, of course, and figure out how much people do not like the gas fees, of course, either way. So basically what they're saying is that Shibarium will essentially reduce these gas fees, right? To reduce the burden of gas fees, Ryoshi, the founder of Shib, visioned another layer 2 blockchain network called Shibarium. If implemented, Shibarium will be its own blockchain. Whoops, why did I do that? Its own blockchain network that of course will reduce hopefully gas fees and will be an in-house platform for all transactional purposes. This makes users save money and spend money on investments, or spend more money on investments than paying high gas fees, which are basically gone forever. Shibarium will also use Bone as the primary pair token in the platform for all transactions. So this is cool stuff, and this is something that I think will help the overall Shiba Inu ecosystem and help the project continue to grow and expand for the years to come. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this. I think this is exciting stuff either way to see. And of course, it's going to help reduce gas fees, which is overall really good stuff. Now, even though we are currently amidst one of the largest dips, or not largest dips, but amidst a pretty significant price drop, as you can see here, Shiba Inu holder count hits new highs amid the price dip. Let's see what we are at right now. As you can see, the new record for Shib has reached an astonishing 1,150,000 holders, guys, in this time of, I guess, stress of bread, if you want bloodshed in the markets, whatever you'd like to call it. Again, this is where we're at right now. And as you can see, most people are very excited about it either way. I'm excited about it either way. And this is something that's really cool to see, that Shiba Inu is moving, up in holder count, despite the absolute crazy dip that we've been on just the last couple of hours. And again, when you look at this dip, guys, this really isn't that big of a deal, right? We're only down about 11%. We've had pumps bigger than this. We've had huge pumps bigger than this, right? Not a big deal in my opinion. Long-term investor, not planning on selling. Of course, you guys know how it goes. But this is cool, and this shows that, of course, the community and I think the overall Shiba Inu army is continuing to rally together to be excited about this coin, to keep buying this coin, and to basically say, hey, we're in it for the long haul. We're going to keep buying. Cool stuff indeed, and something that really excites me either way. As you can see, the top 1,000 ETH wallets are holding 51 trillion Shib, which amounts, or I think that's trillion, it might be billion, I can't remember. Not good. Let me know. $1 billion in USD currency, which is absolutely insane, guys. Now, last little piece of news before we get into some technical analysis before we finish out this video. Just now, Shytoshi actually speaks out on the dip that we're currently undergoing. Shytoshi says, I saw the 0.2500 and thought that you all deserve to know we are still here and stronger than ever. Annoying to see the market on one level and our moves on the second. Just gathering myself because I haven't had much sleep. We'll stop chat and discuss our moves. RH pitches the 300 and more soon. So they have more to announce, more coming, of course, down the pipeline of Shiba Inu and the ecosystem. But it seems like Shytoshi is aware of this and he has not slept much either way. I have not slept much over the last couple of hours either, just trying to do research and trying to look through the crypto markets and find just something to be excited about. Again, this is to be excited about, guys, and I want to make that very clear. That's what I've been doing most of my research on recently. And again, I think Shiba Inu still presents itself at a very interesting spot in the overall cryptocurrency industry that no other place really does. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with public.com, hit the first link down in the description below. You guys can literally sign up and deposit $1 and you guys will get a free stock that could be worth all the way up to $70. It's a great selection of companies, usually Google, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, and of course you can see our portfolio on there as well. Another place you guys can see our portfolio and get our buy and sell alerts, find out exactly when we are buying the dip and what we're buying the dip on. You guys can join our private Discord, 50% off, limited time only. Make sure to take advantage of that while you can. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.